video lecture series on testing of VLSI circuits. In the previous video lectures, we have seen about the faults like stuck at fault, stuck at 0, stuck at 1, bridging fault, etc. In this video lecture, we can see about the brakes stuck on and stuck open faults. Brake faults or open faults, it occurs when the conducting path is unintentionally broken during the manufacturing defects. Due to the manufacturing defects during the manufacturing process. Breaks or opens in CMOS circuits are caused by missing conducting material or extra insulating material, etc. So these breaks or open faults may result in intra-gate breaks or signal line breaks. The category is intra-gate breaks and signal line breaks. Intra-gate break occurs internally to the gate. It's an open circuit inside a logic gate caused by the break in the internal transistor connection or metal interconnects within the gate. It may disconnect the source, gate, drain from the transistor. It disconnect the source, gate, and drain inside the transistor. It happens. It causes metal interconnect inside the gate to be broken. Open polysilicon connection may cause this. The missing contact, like via hole defect, etc. Sometimes diffusion process also due to the fabrication error. This also causes the intra-gate breaks. Coming on to single line gate is an open circuit occurring between two gates where the interconnecting wire is broken. It is caused mostly due to the broken metal routing via missing. In the manufacturing, in the layout process, you can understand what is via. If you look at layout, via is one of the important part. If it is missing, then also signal line break may occur. Sometimes cracks in the interconnect. Sometimes in the routing layers, if there is any manufacturing defect also, it results in signal line break. So comparing the signal line break and the intra-gate break, location is inside the gate, intra-gate means. So signal line is between two gates. So defect occurs internal to the transistor in intra-gate. So there it is broken interconnecting wire. Affected path will be single gate in intra-gate, whereas the signal path is affected in signal line break. Floating or incorrect, that happens when intra-gate break occurs. Signal never transfers and reaches the destination for signal line. For deduction, is most difficult is intra-gate. Signal line break is relatively easier. So example for the best example is PMOS NMOS connection broken. That is wire between and are broken. So the key difference between intra-gate break is defect inside the gate, signal line break is output cannot reach the next gate because connecting wire is open. Coming on to an example circuit, we all know that this is A dot B the whole bar NAND gate. So you can see that there are various breaks mentioned here, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. If B3 if B3 occurs, it has no logical effects, but it results in propagation delay. Similarly, B1 also the same type of fault occurs. If you take B2, the PMOS transistor, which is at the pull-up network, it is stuck open when the B2 break occurs at this point. Considering B4, B5, B6, it disconnects the P network and N network. It disconnects both the P network and N, or sometimes both separate. B4 and B5 behave same at the output node, producing stuck at 0 or it may produce stuck at 1. B6, where it is B6 is output voltage have intermittent stuck at 0 or 1. Output node simultaneously devise PMOS and NMOS transistor so that one of the transistor will be on for unpredictable time. So this is how this fault will affect the circuit. So this is a sample circuit for brakes stuck on and stuck open faults. Thank you. Thank you for patient listening. Stay tuned for future videos.